So, am I the asshole for not wanting to reimburse my friend due to her being denied entry? So there you have it. So basically, three girls plan a trip. The one girl told the listener, guys, make sure you do your things, make sure everything is sorted before we leave. Come on there. Unfortunately, they didn't do it, but they had the opportunity to do it there. The one got approved in 10 minutes, other one didn't get approved. So she had to go back. She can't continue the flights. But she wants them to come back with her and charge the whole trip. Give you the accommodations, the excursions, everything charged. Charge the friendship. So she's asking him about the asshole.
I say no, it's not the asshole's her own fault.
I agree with you. She said exactly that's what I was
You
doing.
you had one job.
You had literally one job.
Make sure your tickets, your whatever it's called, is
ETA,
sorted.
I know what's the obligations for it, but the ETA.
Yes, it's not the asshole. I'll leave anybody there. I'll leave my wife.
Listen here.
I will leave
We
my wife.
plan. Okay, now wife is different. That's your wife.
Nah, charge, bro. Charge my wife, bro. Are you mad?
Bro, you had one job.
You had one job.
I don't think she's the asshole because I told you, get your things in order. Because when I get there, I just want to take flights and I want to enjoy it.
Yeah.
Don't come with a suck story like, yo, guys, I can't go. I'm going to go. You must go back.
You must go back. What
and
do you mean?
replan. What?
Excuse me?
Replan with other friends.
Fair.
That's what you're going to do.
You're under the group chat.
You kick you on the group chat, charge you.
Charge.
I know why I spent so much money and non-refundable as well. Now she said there's a few that couldn't be refunded. So he said,
she wasted her own money.
I took leave for this, bro.
Exactly. I can't get that leave back.
My mindset is on vacation now and I need to go back home. And because of you.
As long as one friend is, I wouldn't have gone alone.
She is not actually a true friend to think about it. Because if she was a true friend, she would be like, look guys, my mistake.
My bad, guy. Enjoy
yourself.
Keep me updated.
Just keep your eye. Look, I don't want to take this opportunity away from you. That's a true friend.
Nah, that's a friend.
That's a friend.
But now she wants everyone to suffer because of her tardiness or whatever you call it.
But okay, let's say she's fine with going back, but she wants the money now. But then again,
she can't
demand the money. It's out of their friends to be like, listen here, we're going to give you so much, or this is as much as we can give you. Because the reason why we took this accommodation specifically because it was in our budget for all three of us. Because if we knew you weren't going to do this, we would have said, get another accommodation that's maybe less. You know what I mean? So everything was planned according to being three people. So her pulling out or her doing, you're messing up the whole.
Exactly. I understand it is a lot of you used to spend a lot of money and now you don't get to enjoy it, but that's on you.
That's on you because your thing got denied.
And as friends, we'll see what we can do for you. But
exactly.
No promises.
And she did say she canceled things though to get us some money back, which is, I mean, a fair thing to say.
More than enough.
But yeah, guys, let us know in the comments is it an asshole or not.